Are you someone who is putting a lot of hard work? Then my suggestion to you is stop putting a lot of hard work. That is not going to take you anywhere. And it's not just to grab your attention, but I mean it, and I will prove it to you in a moment. Why do I say so? See, there was a time, maybe our father and grandfather's time, where putting in a lot of hard work earned you appreciation, accolades from the people around, and you were really valued if you were someone who was putting a lot of hours, who was putting a lot of efforts. That was a time where we were trading time for money. So putting in a lot of hard work means putting in a lot of time. Since the amount of return that you were getting was more or less fixed, hence someone who was paying 1 rupee to you, and if you are putting in 12 hours, that gave that person a lot of satisfaction. Yes, I am getting the return for money that I am paying. In today's age and time, things have really changed. People are no longer interested in how much time or effort or hard work, for that matter, you are putting in. Everyone is interested in results. So if you are an employee working in an organization, your boss, supervisor or management is interested in whether you are able to achieve the target or not, whether you have been able to deliver on the KRAs that you are supposed to deliver or not. That's all they are interested in. At the end of the year, once you don't get the required appraisal, you don't get the kind of bonus that you are looking for, and you come out with a sorry face after having a one-to-one with your boss, and you say that I put in a lot of efforts but no one values me out here, and I am going to look for a change, I am going to look for a different job. You are just fooling yourself, doing nothing else. And I am very, very direct about it, and I am pretty much clear about it, that if you have not been able to deliver the results that you were expected to, you should not be expecting something significant happening to you in terms of appraisal. Same way, if you are into business and you are dealing with clients, whether B2B or B2C, irrespective of that, everyone is looking for the results. That is what is of primary interest to them, because no one is going to do anything with your number of hours that you might have invested in it, as long as the work is not happening. So focus on the results is what's happening in the current age, time and the economy. So it makes more sense for you as an employee or as an entrepreneur to work in a way that can help you in increasing your efficiency. Increasing your efficiency requires you to work on ways that help you in reducing time. So which is about following a method which might be unconventional but gets you the result. And here a disclaimer, I am not asking you to resort to some shortcuts or some things that are unethical. I don't mean that. So while being abided by the law, while being truly authentic and ethical in your dealings, you can still do the work much faster. And what it requires, identifying what really needs to be focused upon. So focusing on what's really important is very, very crucial, so that you cut down the fluff and the unnecessary activities which you are not supposed to do. That is number one. Second is getting across a process using the right kind of tools and techniques that might help you in saving time. So there could be a situation where you are not really aware what are the kind of right tools, what are the right kind of techniques, what is the right process that needs to be followed to give you the faster results. You can always learn. If you do a little bit of research, you will be able to find someone who knows about it, who has gone through that path, and they would be able to teach it to you. It could be for free or it could be paid. That's a decision you have to make. But either ways, if you are looking for a faster growth, if you are looking for superior results, that's a choice you will have to make. It's something like earlier you need to travel from a point A to point B, and you used to take a road which was winding, a lot of traffic, maybe a two-way road on which traffic is coming from, you are traveling on one side, traffic is coming from the other side, and that was taking a lot of time. Now a toll road has been developed that saves you a lot of time. So which road would you take? The ordinary road that you were taking earlier, or the new toll road where you have to shell out some money for using that road, but it saves you a lot of time. So it's simple as that. So when it comes to work, when it comes to profession, that's a choice that you need to make. What is it that you want? If you want to continue with the same pace of progress, then don't complain, come back later and say that I did so many things, I did so much throughout the year and I didn't get anything. It's not going to help. So I hope you are able to realize the fact and understand why I'm saying in today's age and time, working harder is no longer an in thing per se, and you need to change your mindset, make a shift in your working pattern so that you get the better results. I hope you like the video. If yes, just go into comments, share your feedback, and if you want me to make video on some other topic that might be troubling you or you think that's a challenge you are facing, please go and share the topic in the comments. I would surely make an attempt to make a video on that. The only thing is that topic should be of interest for me as well. I hope you liked the video, and I will come back to soon with another video on another topic. Till then, stay connected, take care, bye bye.